For perfectly smoked turkey, you need a smoker that delivers consistent heat and rich flavor. The best smoker for turkey combines ample cooking space with precise temperature control, allowing your bird to cook evenly while absorbing smoky goodness. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smokers for turkey you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor recreation topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Cuisinart COS330 electric smoker brings the art of smoking to your backyard with ease and precision. Offering 548 square inches of cooking space, its vertical design optimizes space while providing ample room to smoke a variety of meats and vegetables. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or just cooking for the family, this smoker delivers versatility. Equipped with 3 chrome-plated removable racks, it allows for smoking large cuts of meat. These racks are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup after a day of grilling. The built-in thermometer on the front door lets you monitor the internal temperature with accuracy, giving you complete control over the smoking process. The 1,500-watt heating element heats up the smoker from 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you a wide range of temperature options for perfect results. Additionally, the stainless steel trays hold wood chips and water, enhancing flavor while making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Ideal for anyone looking to master the flavors of smoked foods, the Cuisinart COS330 is a dependable, easy-to-use smoker that combines quality craftsmanship with convenience, fitting comfortably on patios and in barbecue kitchens. The Masterbuilt MES130B electric smoker is a reliable, user-friendly solution for smoking enthusiasts seeking precise control and rich flavors. Equipped with a digital control panel, you can set your desired temperature, up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and cooking time for a seamless, hands-off smoking experience. The smoker's patented side wood chip loader lets you add wood chips without opening the door, ensuring constant heat and moisture retention while infusing your meats with deep, smoky flavors. With its spacious vertical design, the MES130B offers 711 square inches of cooking space, accommodating up to 6 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 pork butts, or 4 racks of ribs on 4 chrome-coated racks. A removable water bowl allows you to introduce moisture and experiment with different juices, keeping your meats tender and juicy with a range of flavor profiles. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the removable rear grease tray, making post-cooking maintenance quick and easy. Whether you're smoking poultry, pork, or ribs, this electric smoker provides consistent results with minimal effort, letting you master your smoking craft without hassle. The Traeger grills. Ironwood XL is a powerhouse for outdoor cooking, boasting a large 924 square inch cooking area with 594 square inch on the lower rack and 330 square inch on the upper. This grill is designed to deliver precision and ease, thanks to its smart combustion system and insulated construction that maintains temperatures between 165 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether slow smoking or searing, it guarantees consistent results. With Wi-Fi technology, you can control and monitor your grill from anywhere, adding convenience to your grilling experience. Cleanup is a breeze with the Easy Clean Grease Plus Ash Keg, eliminating the need for messy drip tray liners. The Ironwood XL enhances flavor with its free-flow fire pot and super smoke mode, intensifying the wood-fired taste while minimizing ash. The Even Flow Heat Shield ensures balanced cooking across the entire grill surface. Customization is key with the pop and lock accessory rail, allowing you to personalize your cooking space. This grill is built to perform, making it a versatile tool for any outdoor cook who demands precision, flavor, and convenience. The Z-Grills. Wood pellet grill smoker delivers a durable grilling experience with its steel construction and high-temperature powder coating, ensuring it withstands years of intense use. With 700 square inches of grilling space, this grill can easily accommodate large gatherings, fitting up to 30 burgers, 6 rib racks, or 5 whole chickens at once. Whether for home use, parties, or tailgating, its easy-to-move design and quick assembly make it convenient. What sets this grill apart is its smart PID temperature control, which guarantees precise heat adjustments, allowing you to consistently create perfectly smoked dishes without the need for constant supervision. Z-Grill's bottom cabinet provides extra storage space for all your grilling essentials, including tools, seasonings, and wood pellets, making it highly functional. Versatility is another key feature, as the 8-in-1 grill allows you to smoke, bake, roast, sear, braise, barbecue, and even char grill. All you need to do is set the temperature, and the grill takes care of the rest, infusing your meals with rich, smoky flavors. Perfect for both casual and serious grillers, this wood pellet smoker offers a seamless, flavorful grilling experience every time. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 takes outdoor cooking to the next level with its rapid heating and precision control, reaching 225 degrees Fahrenheit in just 7 minutes and an intense 700 degrees Fahrenheit in 13 minutes. This grill offers quick temperature adjustments for both low and slow cooking or high heat searing. Equipped with a digital fan, it maintains precise temperature control, ensuring perfect results whether smoking, grilling, or searing. The built-in temperature gauge and meat probe thermometer provide real-time data, allowing you to cook with confidence. You can also control the grill from a smart device via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, making remote adjustments a breeze. A gravity-fed hopper holds 10 pounds of lump charcoal or 16 pounds of briquettes, providing up to 15 hours of uninterrupted cooking. With 560 square inches of cooking space, including 2 porcelain-coated warming racks and reversible smoke and sear cast iron grates, versatility is at your fingertips. Smoke meat low and slow or sear steaks with ease. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pitmaster, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 offers modern technology and classic charcoal flavor in one sleek, efficient package. It delivers both performance and convenience for any grilling enthusiast. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.